Want fewer, cheaper vet visits? In the next 10 minutes, you'll learn friendly, proven ways to prevent costly emergencies and keep your pet thriving. This is not about cutting corners. It's about smarter care, earlier action, and habits that protect both pets and wallets. First, a quick fact. Preventable conditions account for a huge chunk of vet bills every year. Simple daily routines can stop many of them before they start. Start with nutrition. Feeding quality food suited to your pet's age and breed supports immune health, weight control, dental condition, and energy. Small changes now mean fewer problems later. Next, prevent ticks, fleas, and heartworm. Monthly preventatives are cheaper than treating advanced infections. A quick pill or topical each month protects your pet and avoids long courses of expensive medications. Dental care is often overlooked. Bad teeth lead to pain, infection, and expensive extractions. Brush your pet's teeth regularly or use vet-approved dental chews and water additives. Regular home dental care drastically reduces the chance of major procedures. Routine checkups catch trouble early. Annual or biannual vet visits identify issues when treatment is simple. Vaccinations, weight checks, and blood tests are small costs that prevent emergencies. Learn your pet's normal. Know their usual appetite, energy, stool, and behavior. When you notice small changes, less interest in food, mild lethargy, subtle limping, call your vet. Early calls can mean short, inexpensive fixes instead of long, costly treatments. Use tech wisely. Apps and reminders help keep preventatives, appointments, and medications on schedule. A single missed dose can snowball into a bigger problem. Home first aid helps too. Keep a basic pet first aid kit with bandages, a digital thermometer, saline solution, and your vet's number. Know when to manage at home and when to seek immediate care. For chronic conditions, work with your vet on long-term plans. Consistent monitoring, diet adjustments, and affordable medication options can keep a pet stable and out of emergency rooms. Ask about generic medications or compounding pharmacies to reduce prescription costs. Grooming pays off. Regular brushing, nail trims, and ear cleaning prevent infections and painful matting. At-home grooming or low-cost groomer visits are an investment that avoids surgical fixes. Spay and neuter early. That surgery prevents reproductive cancers and reduces risky behaviors that lead to injuries and vet bills. Microchipping reunites lost pets without shelter fees or extensive treatments. Compare costs before visits. If your vet recommends diagnostics, ask for clear explanations and alternatives. Sometimes staggered testing over weeks can spread costs and still lead to a good outcome. Consider pet insurance for high-risk breeds or older pets. Insurance can be a lifesaver for accidents and serious illnesses, though it's not always cost-effective for routine care. Read the fine print and choose a plan with high accident and illness coverage. Build a relationship with a trusted vet and a secondary low-cost clinic for routine care. Community clinics, charity programs, and payment plans can bridge gaps during emergencies. Pet parenting is about patterns, not panic. Small, consistent actions prevent many of the scary, expensive problems that surprise owners. Create checklists, monthly preventatives, weekly teeth brushes, daily weight and behavior notes, and annual physicals. Teach family members the basics so everyone spots changes early. Finally, remember, prevention is loving care. The more calmly you act, the better your pet fares and the less your bills grow. Start with one change this week. Commit to a monthly preventive, a 10-minute grooming habit, or a check of your pet's normal behavior. Your pet will thank you with health and cuddles, and your bank account will breathe easier. Follow for simple pet health tips and share to help other pet parents save.